Today we'll explore the fascinating world of app development. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, we'll break down the essentials in a fun and engaging way. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is app development? At its core, it's the process of creating software applications that run on devices like smartphones or computers. Think of it as building a digital tool to solve a problem or enhance productivity. It requires coding, design skills, and of course, some creative problem solving. App development generally consists of two main components, the frontend and the backend. The frontend is everything users interact with, the buttons they click, and the text they read. Meanwhile, the backend is like the engine of a car. It powers everything behind the scenes. Both components need to work in harmony to create a seamless experience. Let's dive deeper into front-end development. This is where we design what users see and how they interact with the app. For example, imagine shopping online. The colorful product images, the add to cart button, and the checkout process are all part of the front end. It's all about creating an engaging and intuitive user experience. Now let's switch gears to the back end. This is where the magic happens behind the curtain. The backend manages data, like storing user profiles or processing transactions. For instance, when you buy a product online, the backend ensures your payment is processed and your order is confirmed. It's like the behind-the-scenes crew at a concert. They make everything happen while the stars shine on stage. Have you ever wondered how the front-end and back-end communicate? Enter APIs, or application programming interfaces. They act as the bridge between the two. Think of APIs like a waiter in a restaurant. You place your order, a request, and the waiter brings back your food, a response. This efficient communication is crucial for a smooth app experience. Now, let's discuss where all this code runs. Backend code operates on a server, which can be located in a data center or hosted on the cloud, like AWS or Google Cloud. On the flip side, front-end code runs directly on the user's device, whether that's in a web browser or a mobile app. This distribution allows for real-time interactions and smooth user experiences. When developing the front end, there are several key architectural patterns to consider. One popular approach is component-based architecture, where we break the UI into reusable pieces. For example, think of a Lego set. Each block represents a component that can be assembled in different ways to create a unique structure. Additionally, we must manage the app state effectively and ensure it looks great on any device, like a responsive web page that adjusts to both desktops and smartphones. Let's recap. Understanding the roles of the front-end and back-end is essential in app development. APIs facilitate their communication, while the execution environments ensure smooth operations. By following best practices, you can create robust, user-friendly applications that provide real value to users. Thank you for joining, and see you next time.